friends, welcome back to Osborne Insider, where you can get the latest information about our products, installation tips, and other news. Table pedestal bases are a wonderful solution to large or small projects. The majority of our pedestal bases support dining tables, whether that be a 4-person round design or a 10-person rectangular dining space. Choosing the right type of pedestal and how many bases are needed depends on the project at hand. Just to share one example with you, we have a more modern base design here today. This base can be used to create custom dining tables, but the appearance can be drastically different. We also have more traditional designs, such as the reeded pedestal kit, which is part number 1164 on our website, and it's full of impressive details, including carved beads and a reeded centerpiece. This is a stunning piece that will fit right into any classic or traditional space. Other homes may benefit more from the Craftsman pedestal base, which is a much simpler design with elegant lines and crisp edges. This is part 1152 on our website. These wooden pedestals are sanded to 150 grit and are ready for finishing. They're available in multiple wood species for even more customization opportunities. Thank you for joining me for this Osborne Insider. If you would like to stay updated with our newest content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.